Hello, hello. It's audible to you. Hello, Komal. It's audible.
Uh,
Can we start?
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. It's audible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
You can reply in chat as well, right? Yes, in chat box if it's audible. Okay, okay. So let's start. Yes, yes. I can see all the replies. Yes, yes. Okay. So in this class we will discuss computer graphics and multimedia. All of you aware about this subject, computer graphics? Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. So let's start our subject, computer graphics. So start computer graphics. What is the meaning of computer graphics here? Computer graphics, as you can see, there is two words, computer and graphics. Most of you know about the computer. Okay, any of you can tell me about the computer? What is the meaning of computer here? Unmute yourself and you can speak, so I can know you are hearing me. Any of you? Yes, IUC.
So a computer is an electronic machine which performs operations with the help of some software or programs.
Okay, good. And so now we will discuss about the graphics. What is the meaning of graphics? As you can see, computer plus graphics. Graphics means to plot some points on graph. As you can see, there is in a graph paper. This graph paper, I'm sure you seen work on this graph paper in your schooling. So the meaning of graphics is here to plot some points on graph. This graph to make an image is known as graphics. If we plot some point on this graph to make an image, we called it graphics. I, I plot some point in this graph to make an image, so we will call it as a graphics. So what is the meaning of computer graphics? We combine these two terms, computer graphics, to plot some points. Now here we replace points word with pixels. I think every of you know the pixel word. Here this pixel. Pixel means the picture element, the basic picture elements. To plot some pixels on, now graphs, replace this graph word to computer screen. To plot some pixels on a computer screen to make an image. So the definition is same. In graphics, we are just plotting the points on graph. Now we are plotting pixels on computer screen to make a image. Is known as computer graphics. Before in graphics, we are plotting points on graph to make an image. Now we are plotting pixels on computer screen to make an image. Suppose here we are plotting points on graph to make an image like this. Here, let's see. I'm plotting points on graph. And computer graphics, we are plotting point pixels on computer screen. This is the simple definition of computer graphics. There are several definitions defined. Computer graphics is an art of drawing pictures. In computer graphics, we are drawing pictures, lines, or charts, etc. on computer screen by using programming language. This is a very important. We are plotting pictures, we are plotting points, lines, or graph, everything using a particular languages. We use language, computer language, to plot these images on computer screen. We called it as computer graphics. The another definition of computer graphics is computer graphics is a rendering tools for generating images, manipulating of images, and storage of pictures for proper visualization using computer. Means now we are using some tools, rendering tools. Rendering tools because is a kind of tools which provide some services for generating images on computer screen, manipulating these images, and storage of pictures for proper visualization of computer graphics. So this is a simple definition. And the yeah, CR syllabus. This is this is the syllabus of your computer graphics in this fifth semester. The subject title is computer graphics and multimedia. Its subject has credit 3 and 3 lecture per week. The maximum marks for this subject is 150, and internal assessment means the midterm marks, maximum midterm marks is 30, and end term examination is 120 marks. It's 3 hours exam. The content of this subject is the first is introduction. In this introduction, we will discuss the objective of this course. What is the objective of this course? Objective of this course. What is the scope of this course and outcome of this course? In the introduction, we will discuss objective of the course, scope of the course, and outcome of the course. Why we are studying this subject in this semester? What is the scope of this subject, and what are the outcomes of this subject in the 1 hour? This is the 1 hour given for the just introduction of this subject. So let's see what are the object of this course. Here we defined some learning outcomes and course objective. Learning outcomes. Any of you know about this term, learning outcome and course objective? If any know about this term, you can tell me what is the meaning of these two terms. Anyone? Please unmute and tell. No one know?
The learning outcomes
Yes.
means whatever you be able to perform after learning this topic.
Yes, exactly. Learning outcomes means after completion of this subject, you will be able to perform, or you will be able to know about this six defined outcomes. after completing the course. And course objective means before we start the subject, what are our objective of this course? So means suppose when you do anything, firstly we know what is our objective. Suppose you are going somewhere, what is the objective of going there? Or suppose you are doing your graduation or BTech, what is your objective? Why you are doing this thing? Or suppose you are watching movies, why you are watching this movie? Means what is the objective? Why we are doing this thing? So here the course objective means what is the what are the objective of this course? In the same way, learning outcome is after completing this course, this thing we are able to do. So the first learning outcome of this course, computer graphics multimedia. The first outcome, learning outcome is to list the basic concept used in computer graphics. Means what are the basic concept we use in computer graphics? You will be able to, after completing the course, you will be able to know. The second objective, course outcome is you can implement various algorithm. Scan algorithm is there is different scan algorithm, line scan algorithms, ellipse scan algorithms, point algorithm. So after completing the course, you will be able to write different algorithm, convert the basic geometrical primitives and transformation, area filling algorithms, and clipping. There's several algorithms. After completing the course, you are able to implement this all algorithms. The third learning outcome is to describe the importance of viewing and projection. You will be able to describing this viewing and projection. The fourth outcome is different fundamental of animations, visual realities, and related technologies to animation. Means there is a different technologies related to animation there is in our syllabus. Then after completing the course, you will be able to define or implement. The last outcome of this course is to design an application with principle of virtual reality. Means after completing the course, you will be able to design some virtual realities. Principle of virtual realities means some kind of animation. The first course objective is why we are studying this subject. Before we start the subject, there is some we have defined some objective. Understand the basic computer graphics, different graphics system, and what are the application of this computer graphics. We will study these terms in this subject. And the second course objective is study various algorithms. As we seen in the learning outcome, we will see different algorithms, convert the basic geometrical primitives and area filling and clippings. So that we will discuss in this subject. The third course objective of this subject is use two-dimensional geometric transformation on graphics and their application in composite form. We will discuss this kind of transformation. There's a number of transformation we'll see in this level in the next slide. The last objective of this course is to create effective program to solve the graphics programming issues, including 3D transformation, object modeling, color modeling, and lighting. This is our course objective we will cover during this subject. Is it clear to all of you? You can
Sir.
reply and comment as well if clear. For any doubt about this terminology or what is the meaning of this course objective and meaning of terms, and any uh, doubt about this or regarding any nearby terms, you can ask me. Okay, so go back to our syllabus. What are Other thing in our syllabus is after the introduction, there's a first unit. We call this unit is unit zero. The unit first unit in this course is basic of computer graphics. In this unit one, we will discuss basic computer graphics, application of computer graphics in different fields, different display devices, different scan system, random scan system, raster scan system, different input devices using in computer graphics, different software and standard we are using in computer graphics. We will discuss in unit one. Unit six are the next unit or unit two. We will discuss uh, graphics primitives. There is a number of primitives like point, line, circle, polygon. These are the primitives. So in this graphics primitive, in the second unit, we will discuss different algorithms to plot points, lines, circle, ellipse, and different algorithm of all of these primitives. And the next, we will discuss different area filling algorithms like boundary filling, flood filling, different kind of test we perform inside of test, polygon filling, how we fill this object using this algorithm. In the next, we will discuss character generation, how we can generate character like means A, B, C, D using graphics. Different line attributes. What are the attributes of line? Like means the width of line, types of line, color of line, area field attributes. There are different field area attributes, character attributes, character attributes, aliasing and anti-aliasing. Aliasing means I think when you see a picture, when you zoom it, there's some kind of boxes you have seen. The boxes, there is some kind of destruction, means they're not in line. So this is called as aliasing. So anti-aliasing means how we can reduce this aliasing. When we plot a line, there's some kind of tiltness in that line. So anti-aliasing means removing that zigging means the line is not in a straight way. So how we can reduce this line to plot or draw a straight line. So aliasing means how we can, okay, we will discuss in class the aliasing and anti-aliasing. Aliasing means how we can aliasing means the zigzagging in your line, and anti-aliasing means how we can reduce this zigzag. The next unit, two-dimensional graphics. In this two-dimensional graphics, we will discuss transformation, different transformation, translation, rotation, scaling, matrix, how we represent this point, line, ellipse in matrix form, the homogeneous coordinate system, composite transformation. Composite means, at the same time, we are performing more than one transformation like translation, rotation, scaling, reflection, and shearing. Reflection, as you know, reflection, then how we can perform the reflection in computer graphics is the reflection of line, reflection of circle, reflection of polygon, and reflection of point. Shearing, beam pipelining, and coordinate system on all these primitives. Window to viewport transformation, clipping, different kind of clipping, line clipping, polygon clipping, circle clipping, and for the line clipping there are several algorithms, one Sutherland algorithm, Ising, Pascal, Allen algorithm, and polygon clipping. Clipping means suppose the object is outside your window, then we have to clip. So how you can clip? There are several algorithms to clipping. The next unit, three-dimensional graphics. What the operation we perform in two-dimensional graphics, the same operation we can perform in three-dimensional graphics. So there is several like in curve, pencil curves, surface, B spline curves, surface, 3D 3D scaling, 3D rotation, 3D translation. What the operation to perform in two-dimensional object as well as we can perform in three-dimensional object. So the same operation we can perform in 3D object. The second last unit, second last unit, illumination and color models. In this unit, we will discuss light sources, different kind of light sources, what are the properties of light sources, chromatic chromosity diagram, intuitive color concept, different color model, RGB color model, YIQ color model, CMY color model, HSV color model, HLS color model, and different color selection process we will discuss in this unit. Unit 6, or we can call this as a second last. The last unit is animation. In this unit, we will discuss different fundamental of animation, like designing animation sequence, animation functions, raster animation, keyframe system, motion specification, morphing, different realism of animation. We will discuss in this last unit, animation and realism. So these are the complete syllabus of this subject, computer graphics and multimedia. If you have any doubt about this subject, before we start, you can ask. So, it is the basic introduction of your subject, objective, scope, and outcome of the course, and what is the syllabus of this course. So, if you have any doubt about this course or what you will see in this course, you can ask. You can unmute yourself and you can ask. किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है? टिक्कू परमार, आपको कोई डाउट है? ओके, किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है? तो हम लोग नेक्स्ट जो क्लास होगी, नेक्स्ट डे आई थिंक थर्सडे या वेडनेसडे है, हम लोग बेसिक हम लोग सब्जेक्ट जो है उसको स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो मे भी सम अदर प्लेटफॉर्म पे सब्जेक्ट को आगे स्टार्ट करें, मे भी हो सकता है सारे फैकल्टीज किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज़ करेंगे क्लासेस के लिए। तो अभी तक आपको डाउट होगा पूछ सकते हैं, अदरवाइज हम लोग माइंड अप करें सकते हैं।
सर आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है।
ओके, नो डाउट। ओके सर, नो सर। अभी वॉइस आ रही है? तो किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है सर? आप लोग जितने लोग लेक्चर ज्वाइन किए हैं, कमेंट सेक्शन में टीपी लेके पोस्ट कर देना, आप लोग प्रेजेंट करें। पोस्ट T in comment section if you present in this video class. So we consider you are present in this class. Okay, okay. All clear. Okay, so let's end this class here. And next class we will discuss our first unit, introduction to computer graphics. Okay, thank you.